If you want to stay on top of your to-dos without constantly checking your task list, setting custom reminders in Todoist is one of the best features you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set custom reminders for tasks in Todoist using the desktop app, the web browser, or the mobile app. This is a super useful workflow for deadlines, meetings, follow-ups, and anything else you do not want to miss. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist on whichever device you prefer. You can do this on the desktop app, in your web browser, or on your phone. The steps are very similar across all three, so once you learn it once, you can do it anywhere. Now, go to the task you want to manage and click or tap directly on the task text. This opens the task's detailed panel where you can see all the task options in one place. Inside that panel, look for the reminder chip. This usually appears with a small clock icon. Click or tap that reminder icon to begin setting your custom reminder. Now, one important thing to keep in mind is that this feature requires a paid Todoist plan. So if you do not see the reminder option available, that may be why. If you're on the free plan, you may need to upgrade before you can use custom reminders. Once you open the reminder settings, Todoist will give you different trigger types. If you want the reminder to go off at an exact moment, choose date and time. This is the option you want for things like appointments, calls, or tasks that need a precise alert. On the other hand, if you want Todoist to remind you a certain amount of time before the task is due, choose before task. This is perfect for things like getting a reminder 1 hour before a meeting, 1 day before a deadline, or any other buffer you prefer. After that, type in your time preference or choose it from the drop-down calendar. Todoist makes this part very easy, so you can either enter the time manually or select it visually depending on your device. Once your reminder time looks right, click Add Reminder to save it. As soon as you do that, the reminder will be attached to the task and Todoist will notify you at the time you selected. You can repeat this process for any other task that needs a custom alert, and it's a great way to build a smarter system for managing your day. So just to recap, open the task, click the reminder chip, choose your trigger type, set your time, and add the reminder. That's how you set custom reminders for tasks in Todoist in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials, productivity tips, and app walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.